Hi mga kapuso, I'm Plume and this is Think Fast Challenge. The longest I've waited was probably 2 years. So I think pretty long. Pag may pera, kakain tayo sa mamahalin. Pag may pera, bibili kita ng gift. Pag wala, tiis mo na. Yung mayabang kasi me as a person, super humble ako na very down to earth na gusto ko. Pag may achievement ako, gusto ko chill lang, ganun. Hindi masyadong post dito, post dyan, ganun. Kaya pag mayabang yung person, parang na-off talaga ako agad. Or yung palaaway din yun, isa pa yun. Green flag ko siguro sa akin is very loving and caring na person. Kasi ako, medyo hirap akong mag-express ng emotions to other people. So kung siya kaya niya akong mahalin ng even I'm like this, kung ganito ako, I think that's a huge green flag for me. Always katotohanan, at least it's better to live in a painful truth than a beautiful lie. Simple things in life na kunwari makatapos ka ng song, may magko-compliment na maganda yung song mo, ganun. Or maybe winning some games, eating good food, ganun. Mostly about sa akin, yung sa sarili ko yung nagpalungkot sa sarili ko na na-depress ako kasi akala ko hindi ko kaya magtuloy ng music. So yan. To read minds, I don't know, para sa akin, mas trip ko na malaman ko lagi yung thoughts ng iba. Like, kunwari may kinakausap akong bago, I'd rather want them to be truthful to me than lie, ganun. Well, first of all, probably make my mom's life better, my siblings' life better. And maybe, since super practical ako na person, I don't think I need that much money. So it's probably gonna go through charities, like donations, ganun. Kasi ayoko rin na masyadong maraming pera kasi I think money actually corrupts people kapag masyadong marami. Kaya as much as possible, I wouldn't want that. Sarili ko. Kasi may isang time na nagsusulat ako ng song and it goes a little bit deep. Kaya parang masyado akong nakarelate sa sarili kong kanta kaya hindi ko na tinuloy. My girlfriend, kanina lang, may chinichika siya sa akin ngayon pero hindi ko mabasa kasi I'm doing this interview. Si Plume noon, sa nerdy, shy, introverted kid. A nerdy, shy, introverted adult. Gusto ko lang gumawa ng songs that I can actually be proud of na gusto ko pag gumawa ko ng song, ako mismo yung ma-addict sa sarili kong kanta and I would be my biggest supporter. And through that, sana sa mga fans na makikinig, I hope na magkaroon din sila ng same excitement through my songs as me. Mask, beauty, and happiness. Mga kapuso, available na po for streaming sa lahat ng digital music platforms ang aking single na Panggap. So if you want to see more content or more updates on the single, you can follow me on Facebook, which is PlumePH, or on TikTok, I am Plume. You can visit gmanetwork.com to be updated about your favorite celebrities. You can also follow GMA Network's social media accounts on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok.